Welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today, we're exploring the incredible journey of Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal. From a bold idea to revolutionize online payments to becoming a tech icon, Thiel's story is packed with innovation and determination. Let's dive in. 1. Peter Thiel's early life. Peter Thiel was born in Frankfurt, Germany in 1967 and later moved with his family to the United States. Growing up, he was highly intellectual and competitive, excelling in academics and chess. Thiel attended Stanford University, where he studied philosophy and later earned a law degree. After briefly working in law and finance, he realized his passion lay in creating something impactful rather than following a traditional career path. Number 2. The spark for PayPal. In 1998, Peter Thiel teamed up with Max Levchin to create a company called Confinity. Their initial goal was to develop software for handheld devices, but they soon pivoted to focus on online payments. This pivot led to the birth of PayPal, a secure and simple way to transfer money online. At a time when e-commerce was just beginning to grow, PayPal solved a critical problem: how to make online transactions safe and easy for everyone. Number 3. Overcoming challenges. The early days of PayPal were filled with challenges. They faced intense competition from other payment platforms and constant threats of fraud. But Peter's leadership and strategic thinking helped the team navigate these obstacles. One of Thiel's bold moves was to incentivize users by offering $10 bonuses for signing up and referring friends. This viral strategy fueled PayPal's rapid growth, quickly making it the go-to platform for online payments. 4. The PayPal Mafia. PayPal's success wasn't just about the platform, it was about the people. The team, often referred to as the PayPal Mafia, included future tech giants like Elon Musk, Reid Hoffman, and many others who went on to create companies like LinkedIn, Tesla, and YouTube. This network of innovators played a significant role in shaping the modern tech landscape, and it all started with PayPal. Number 5. PayPal's explosive growth and acquisition. PayPal went public in 2002 and was soon acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion. The platform became the backbone of eBay's payment system, solidifying its place as a leader in digital payments. For Peter Thiel, the success of PayPal was just the beginning. He used his earnings to invest in other groundbreaking companies, including being the first outside investor in Facebook. 6. Peter Thiel's legacy. Peter Thiel's impact extends far beyond PayPal. As a venture capitalist and co-founder of Palantir Technologies, he continues to shape the tech industry. His book 0 to 1 has become a must-read for entrepreneurs, offering insights into building innovative businesses. Thiel's story is a testament to thinking differently and taking calculated risks to achieve greatness. Peter Thiel's journey with PayPal shows that solving real problems with bold ideas can create lasting impact. What's your favorite part of Peter Thiel's story? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.